Hello online fam, it's me again Blanche and welcome back to our channel Lassie Fam Canada. It's already December 31st here in Canada and it's 11:30 in the morning. I wanted to greet Happy New Year to our families and friends in the Philippines, and I'm pretty sure that it's already New Year's Day there in the Philippines. So now I'm gonna take you with me on how my husband and I prepare our New Year's Eve celebration here in Canada. And we've been doing the Prosperity Bowl ever since kasi naniniwala kami ng binibigay na parang tradition lang ba? Wealth, career, prosperity, yung mga lahat na yun sa mga Chinese, yun. Wala namang masama kung maniniwala tayo dun. So, pero, kailangan pa rin nating mag-pray kasi si Jesus pa rin yung nagbibigay sa lahat ng ating mga blessings and everything. For this year, 2025, mahirap para sa amin. Marami kaming pinagdaanan ng asawa ko. Nagpapasalamat pa rin kami sa year 2025 dahil sa mga lessons and mga blessings na rin na na-receive namin. I will take you with me, guys, on how I will prepare our New Year's and welcome New Year's Eve today. Okay? Happy New Year, everyone! Again, online fam, it's me again, Blanche. So, as you can see from the previous clips, yun yung mga ginawa ko for the whole day para mag-prepare ng aming food. So, ngayon, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga na-prepare ko at ng aking asawa for New Year's Eve. Thank you again, online fam, sa pagsama sa akin for today. And I want to say, have a blessed 2026. And sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe for this year, maraming salamat sa mga subscribers. And sana hindi kayo magsawa na manood ng aming mga videos kahit bago pa kami at nagsa-start pa lang. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates and for upcoming videos. And please do share this video. Merry 2026 from my family to yours. Happy New Year, everyone!